Are you one of those people who think that to have more money, you have to work harder? Well, I hate to break it to you, but in this day and age, not anymore. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use a free bot to make $1,500 every day. And I'll explain each step along the way. From wherever you are, you can use this technique. There is no cost involved, and no investment is required, making this an absolutely risk-free proposition. There is also no prerequisite for prior knowledge or expertise. In this video, I will show you how to do it in a few easy steps. All you need is a device and access to the internet. Stay with me now, because I'm about to tell you a very easy and simple approach for which you might not need any special skills or experience. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Today, we're going to teach you how to make article writing, a very lucrative source of income for you. We're going to make use of the power of AI to make things easier. The website I am talking about is Anyword. Head over to this awesome site by typing anyword.com into your browser. Anyword is an AI bot that, among other things, will write a full essay or blog post for you with just a few clicks. Present your clients with human-level copy, and make use of innovative AI and cloud computing. Rest assured that this AI-driven writing bot will write high-quality content for you on virtually any topic. It can help you stand out in an increasingly crowded online world and engage in a professional and presentable way. This AI article writer, copywriting bot, and blog writer will help you write perfectly structured texts and gain the trust of potential readers, especially your clients. You'll write only original content, and this site will provide you with original written articles and ensure that the content is accurately formatted. I'll demonstrate the procedure for you. To get started without spending any money, just click the corresponding button. Just type in your email address and the password you created. You will receive a 7-day free trial with a basic plan and 5,000 word credits when you sign up for this service. Pick your role for the kind of work you intend to do with it. It's up to you how many you choose. You can proceed to answer the remaining questions. Just click the Blog Wizard button. And once you start a new project, you can describe what the blog post should be about. For example, assume your client wants a blog post on how to make money online, and they're willing to pay you a particular amount of money to write it. Have you got on the website successfully? Let us know your experience so far by leaving a comment below. And while you're at it, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see more of our awesome videos. Now, let's go back to our video. Say you want to focus on the business and financial sectors. That's an option. A title is generated for you once you click the next button. All you have to do is pick the one you like the most. You can come up with more titles, but this one has the highest score, so I'm going with it now. Now we'll develop an outline like this and write these articles pretty professionally, so it won't be like they came from some sloppy article writer. This is of a high standard. Here there are different parts, so I'll click on Next. Now we get to the introductory paragraph. Let's just choose the one with the highest score and then click Continue to Editor. Now we'll head to the editor, where you can keep making new sections. Simply enter a few keywords describing the section's topic, and they will generate the text automatically. It's displayed on the right side of your screen. If you need a lengthy article, you can adjust the text length as well. Selecting a greater text length will essentially add more text, so you may charge even more money if the client is willing to pay more for a longer article rather than a minimum medium text length. You now have a 500-word article that you can put on your portfolio or on freelancing sites such as Fiverr, people per hour, or a new platform I found called SEO Clerks. What do you think of our technique today? Have you tried out how awesome any word is? Share your experience with us by commenting below. We'll try to reply to each one of you. To start offering your services through them, you need to go to a website that is called SEO Clerks, which can be found at seoclerks.com. Lots of people offering a variety of services are visible. SEO Clerks is a freelance marketplace similar to Fiverr and Upwork. However, due to a lack of awareness, competition for jobs here is low, while demand is high. This makes it much simpler to generate sales than through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. If you browse the marketplace over here, you'll find that people are selling anything from graphic design and logo creation to voiceovers, ebooks, and forum posts. A quick search for article writing will reveal many people offering their skills for as much as $50 for a single piece. Like this one, for example. Nearly 200 people have used this service so far, and all of them are pleased with what they've received. He most likely earned more than $1,000 from this single service. After all, not everyone leaves feedback, and some customers may purchase multiple times without ever leaving feedback. I've shown you the money people are making so that you can go ahead and sign up by clicking the join button here. What you'll do is just enter your email address, create a password, and click continue. Now that you have an SEO Clerk account, you can start selling your services on this platform immediately. The entire article or blog post you just created from any word can be copied and sent back to the SEO Clerk. If you want to charge $8 to $10 for this post, you can, even though all you're doing is pushing buttons, because this AI bot does all the work for you. The complete process takes less than 3 minutes. SEO Clerk is merely one of the channels through which we can advertise and sell these services. Just like people per hour, it has much less competition than sites like Fiverr and Upwork, meaning that anyone can sign up as a freelancer for free and advertise their skills on a variety of websites. What we showed you today is another form of a freelancing gig, which is a very good way to earn money since many businesses and entrepreneurs need more time to focus on their ventures rather than create articles daily. This is where you step in and offer this service. You can also do this from anywhere in the world in the comfort of your own home. Now that we've shared this great technique with you, it's time for you to try it yourself and let us know about your experience. Would you recommend this method to your friends? If you enjoyed today's video, feel free to comment on your journey with AnyWord and SEO Clerks. Leave us a comment and we'll gladly reply to each one of you. In this way, you'll also help our community of money makers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our awesome content. Good luck and see you in our next video.